again with another one, man. Now here we have a half of a head of purple cabbage or red cabbage, depending on how you like to describe it. All right, then you cut that in half, so in turn by math, we have a quarter, right? Now, we have a mandolin also, and please be careful when you use a mandolin, people. It usually comes with like a handle, something that you could use to not put your fingers at risk, because a mandolin will cut your finger off. So please, safety first, people. Right, so here we are, just shaving it down to, the desired, with actually the desired blade we want our cabbage to be, right? Now, reveal, and we're happy. Alright, so get a close-up of that. That's the consistency, well, not consistency, but that's the thickness and size that you want the cabbage to be. Alright, so now here we go with about a half of a carrot. Same method all over again, same size blades on the mandolin also. Alright, shave it down, we shaving. Now some people, you might want to go in on the side with the carrot. First of all, it's terrible, very unsafe because your fingers are very exposed, and as you can see here, it doesn't really get much. So back to going down from the top is just a smarter, safer, easier way to do it. Alright? So just shaving it, man. Shaving it down till we get it to where we want it to be, or the amount that we want it to be. And you can use any amount that you choose. If you like more carrot, or you like less carrot, you like more cabbage, or you like less cabbage, it's up to you to decide how you want to actually have this to be, okay? So now, reveal again. Boom. Nice. Nice. We just take our carrot and cabbage and just separate it, put it in the bowl, put it to the side, because this is what we're gonna mix our actual slaw in. All right. Now this is a shallot, right? This is an onion, but it's like an onion on steroids. It's my favorite kind of onion, besides like a Vidalia, but shallots are purple, so that's how you know the difference, right? So you peel all your onion paper off the scallops. Do have a scallop video coming up too, but off your shallot, just shave it down to the amount that you need it to be. And then you add it to the rest with the carrot and the cabbage. Now to this we add a few things, and the actual ingredients will be at the end of the video. Okay, but it's just honey, black pepper, salt, vinegar or vinegar, however you choose to say that. And it's a few things. It's only like 7 ingredients. And we take that mixture, everything together, and we mix it together, man. And then we put it in the fridge for later. We have to keep this cool and refrigerate it because we want it to come together, right? So the consistency that you see it is now, it'll drastically change. Not drastically, but it'll change significantly, right? So now here we have a pound of salmon, simple season, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper. All right. Just massage that in, man. Rub it down, man. Treat it like your lady, man. Rub it, man. Get the back too. Like the back doesn't need really much seasoning because, it's salmon. Salmon's delicious. Doesn't need much help, especially the skin side. So smack that. Now here we portion this off, right? You could easily make 6 to 8 portions out of this, right? But me, I like to do things according to how my stomach feels, right? So 4 of it. 4 portions work just fine for me, right? So as you saw me do just a while ago, just measure it out, eyeball it kind of, and then just cut. You score it, and then go into how you want to cut it, and you know, those are the pieces that you're gonna fry up, right? So now to an already hot pan, we add olive oil. Now, this is way too much olive oil, and I kind of overshot the amount, right? Pouring it straight out the bottle, but just get enough olive oil just to coat the bottom, not too much. And then we go skin side down with the salmon first. Right, and we leave that for about 5 to 6 minutes, depending on the size of the actual salmon. So as time elapses, we have about a 6-minute one side doneness. And look at the flip on that, man. Look at the skin. I swear to God, the skin was so crispy, like it was crazy. So that's why you have to sear it to get that good skin, right? And as you flip it, you turn the heat completely off and just let the residual heat cook the top side of the salmon for about 3 to 4 minutes, right? Now here we have our tacos, right? I'm a baby spinach kind of guy. You can go any kind of green you prefer. I like baby spinach also. I like greens in general, but baby spinach is what I chose to go with this particular, you know, dish, right? So now this is what happens when you cook that thing on the front side or the top side with no heat. Beautiful, right? Like, come on, man. Look at that. I already ate it. I want to eat it again. Look at the skin though. Like, you can't hear it, but that skin built a nice crust. So it's important to sear your salmon because it's a very fatty fish. It can stand up to the heat and then be beautiful later. Now here we have our slaw that we made a few hours earlier. You see how that thickened up? Everything tightened up. Exactly. That's why we put it in the fridge and let it marinate, like not marinate, but marry together and blend, and you know, everybody could be happy together in the fridge and come as one, but as individuals at the same time, right? So you know, just put as much slaw as you choose to put on top of your salmon, because this is my favorite part of it, the actual slaw itself. Right now, there it is, man. Super easy. Like, we could have went into more intricacies, but just to keep it simple, people. Yes, sir. There we have it. Peace, family. Back at it again with another episode of Screw's Kitchen. This is the shrimp. This is the salmon tacos, man. Can't see that good. My resolution be bugging sometimes, man. Salmon, man. Let's get straight into it.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
That purple cabbage slaw. the amount of acidity that's in it balances off with the fattiness of the fish. Like it cuts the fat, right? And then you have a little bit of added cheese for. Some people say fish and cheese don't go together, but nah, yo, this
Nigga, what you say?
Look at that, man. Look at that. Oh. I guarantee you, if you try this, you're gonna love it. If you love salmon, you love a nice acidic punch to counterbalance the salmon. Like, look at that. Look at that. I mean, come on, man. Yeah, folks, I don't want to talk too long. I'm sorry, it's going on for too long as it is. But another episode of Screw's Kitchen. Thank each and every one of you, each and every single one of y'all, for either continually viewing, just now beginning to view, or if you just see the pop up or whatever. Appreciate each and every one of you, man. Thank you. Signing out to next time, man. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share also.